Kari Lake's election results trial up in Maricopa County has wrapped up. The former candidate for governor going to court claiming problems with ballot printers at some vote centers in Maricopa County on election day were intentional.
She also says that ballots were not properly transported during processing. News 4 Tucson's Eric Fink breaks down today's testimony live from the newsroom. Eric.
We're just 12 days shy of Katie Hobbs becoming Arizona's next governor. Kari Lake's lawyers in court today trying to prove intentional misconduct on the part of Maricopa County election officials. Democrat Katie Hobbs defeated Republican Kari Lake by just under 17,000 votes. On Election Day, November 8th, about 70 Maricopa County vote centers out of 223 had problems with printers. This morning, Maricopa County Recorder Stephen Richer, a Republican under oath, answering this question from a defense attorney on whether Richer purposefully did something to cause the issues with the printers that swayed the outcome of the election.
Absolutely not. As mentioned previously, election day operations are not under my statutory control, but certainly irrespective of that, I certainly wouldn't have done that.
Lake's legal team calling on a cyber expert who says he examined more than 100 ballots. He argues there's an issue that was no accident.
Out of all the spoiled ballots and the duplicated original ballots, there were a total of 113 ballots examined. 48 of those existed because there was a 19-inch image of a ballot printed on 20-inch paper. Based on this system and the controls in place, this could not have been an accident.
But on cross-examination,
are duplicated ballots tabulated? Maricopa County, general election 2022.
If they're duplicated correctly and they're configured correctly, yes, they should be.
Thank you. No further questions, Your Honor.
Tom Ryan is a trial lawyer and an elections law expert.
Every witness, they have said there's no evidence of intentional misconduct. They don't have it. They have guesses and surmises, but that's not the same thing as having actual evidence. They also have to be able to name who the specific actor is, who's the person or persons that had the bad intent to somehow affect the outcome. Again, nobody's been identified.
The second and final day of the trial begins Thursday morning when attorneys for Hobbs and county election officials will make their case.
This is not like a civil case. It gets to drag on for years or even months or even weeks. It has to be done within days.
Now, Judge Peter Thompson must issue his ruling by next Tuesday. Tom Ryan believes this case will be dismissed. Katie Hobbs is set to take office January 2nd. In the newsroom, I'm Eric Fink, News 4 Tucson.